Welcome to the DataStream Getting Started series. In this video, we'll show you how to access your real-time Counterpoint data from any web browser and walk through your new performance dashboard.
So here I am. I'm in a web browser, and this is Counterpoint. Can't stress this enough. Up here, it's just an internet site. Anywhere you can get to the internet, you can access this tool. And this is actually our production login screen, so our live login screen. So you'll notice that you can have an independent email and password to log in, or we also support single sign-on currently right now with Microsoft. So if you have a Microsoft account, you can just link the two. Just press single sign-on with Microsoft and you're good to go. But once you log in, this is what you see. So I'll just refresh this page again. So I log in, and what has happened here is it has loaded my dashboard. And what this has done is it has gone out to Counterpoint in real time and run my most current unposted sales data. So this is Counterpoint data, and I'll refresh it again. Again, queries Counterpoint real-time data from your Counterpoint system. So this main screen called the dashboard, it's what I like to call what you see is what you get. So you really just have static widgets here of, you can quickly see how your store is performing. You have some widgets up at the top here, like, total sales, average units per transaction, your total ticket count for the day, profit margin, and returns. We also have a few other dashboards here. So as we scroll down, we have some graphical widgets here. One is sales by hour. So you can see, each hour every day how your store is performing. And any of these tools you can hover over and kind of see the specific details. So I can see, my exact numbers if I hover over. Same thing with here. You can hover over, but this top 10 sales by store. This is our classic demo golf environment. If you have 10 stores, 15 stores, 30 stores, they would all show up here and they would be automatically color coded. And it gives you a breakdown of kind of store by store sales comparisons. Drilling down further here, some more high level graphs. We have our top 10 sales by item. This gives you a super quick view of how well your top sales are doing. Say you're running a sale on golf items and you want to see what are my top 10 this weekend. It will break down your descriptions. It shows you total sales, quantity sold, and the percentage of total sales. And as I hover over these, it really highlights the exact metric that you're looking at. This is a similar view, but again, higher level. This is by category. So, this is a golf pro shop. So my golf items are doing really well. My other ones, not so well, which is to be expected. But again, consistency. So I can see total sales, my quantity sold, and my percent of sales. And then two more here on the dashboard. These are it's the same data set. They're just laid out in a different way. So I have my top 10 sales by category. And this is pretty neat because it gives what I call this is like a traffic light. So, say you are running that sale and you want to see percentage of total sales, your top performers are going to be green, mid performers will be yellow, and your poor performers are going to be red. So really, if you pull out that tablet or you're at an actual stoplight in your car, although I don't recommend looking at your phone in the car, but you just want to pull this up, you can very quickly see how you're performing. And again, right now, this is live data, unposted data, real-time stuff. And then the last one is, again, kind of the inverse of this. It's the top 10 sales by item. So this just, again, is similar to this, but just laid out in a different way.
With DataStream, your store's data is always at your fingertips. No license required. Ready to dive deeper? Watch our next video on creating custom reports.